I do not shrink. I used to fold in corners, in questions, in the sound of someone else's discomfort. I used to barter with silence, trading my voice for peace. I see you now, woven into the stories of my bloodline. You arrived long before me, carried on the lips of women who had to learn silence to survive. But now, I'm choosing something new. Not in defiance of you, but because of you. Because you gave me life, now I give life a new possibility. A life where safety doesn't require silence, where success isn't shameful, and where being seen doesn't mean being put in danger. And in this, I honor you.